What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we are here with Ruby. About to make a little video for you guys. I want to make a little video for you guys. I got the boy Carlos that's ready. That's gonna come right now in a little bit. We're actually going to a car meet. We actually got a few little things this weekend kind of going on. So let me just break it down to you guys. If you guys are new, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe. If you guys are into anything car related, car content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would truly do appreciate it. And like I said, we got a few little bit of car stuff going on this weekend. I'm kind of rushing this intro because Carlos is on his way. The car is extremely freaking dirty, and we're about to go to some events. So we need this car clean. We need this thing looking real nice and pretty. So that is why we're doing this rush. But anyways guys, yes, we got a few little car events going on this weekend. Right now we actually got this, I don't know if it's like a cars and coffee, like a later style type of thing, but it's kind of like a Mopar versus Mustang type of thing. So there's going to be a bunch of Mustangs, food vendors, I think, like that kind of going on there, and it's going to be lit. So I gotta have this thing all ready and washed for today and tomorrow, because tomorrow actually I think Carlos is gonna want to go to Cars and Coffee, which is another little event, and this one's gonna be like a really big one, a huge fat one. So I don't know if I'm gonna just mix up these two. I'm gonna make two separate videos, don't know. Just got to get this car washed. So yeah, like I said, if you guys are into any car content, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, and no further ado, let's just get this freaking car clean, because this thing is dirty as fuck. So let's go. So we got the car all washed up. I gave it probably the shittiest, quickest wash I've ever had on the car. It literally took me like 20 minutes, 25, literally just rushing this. And there's a bunch of water spots on the mirrors and everything, and it's kind of annoying, but like I said, we're in a rush. Just gave it a pretty quick kind of shitty wash, so do not mind that. But guys, we are all set. It is literally, the meet just started already. It already started right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Carlos is on his way right now, so he should be literally here in any minute. Pick this up right now when he gets here, but car is looking somewhat decent. So yeah, pick you guys up when he's here. Look who ended up pulling up, boys. Got the boy Carlos right here. He's got that new wing going. I think that's the saline wing he just got. Just installed it, so it's looking freaking sick. It's looking like he's running some solid sixes at the track. Let me know what you guys think. Mr. Carlos, Mr. Ortiz.
It's a pleasure.
It's a pleasure. I like that new wing you got there.
Thank you.
Make sure to go follow and watch his install video on his channel. What's your channel's name, bro? Shout it out real quick. Where are we heading right now?
To Cars and Coffee.
Cars and Coffee.
See how it goes.
It's a little Mustangs versus Mopar, right?
Yeah.
My God. Mustangs versus Mopar. We're gonna go ahead and head out, guys. Like I said, this is all last minute. Got the car all washed up, so let's go ahead, get a cool little video for you guys. Let's go. Guys, so we're getting right inside the entrance right now, and there is hella people. Like, that line goes all the way over there, so we came at the right time, through the right way, and this thing looks pretty sick, guys. Pretty sick. So we'll see what it has in store for us right now when we park. I just literally saw my twin, like literally the exact same build. I'm like, damn, I thought I was the only one that had the same wing. He has the same wings, same louvers, kind of like the same style wheels. I'm like, it's all good. We gotta love them all. But looks like we're all parked up. We're all settled in. Hey, how's it looking so far, boss? How's it looking so far, boss?
The entrance is pretty packed.
Yeah, the entrance is pretty packed, guys. Everybody's parking right now on this side, so we've got a couple spots right here. I'm gonna go take a little cruise. It's just me and Carlos today, see what's up. The original squad. I only need him, so that's all I need. And we'll see what's out here. We're in the Mopar section. There's a Mopar versus Mustang type of side. Obviously, we didn't make it because this guy was too late, but we're enjoying this though. Look at this. Look at this freaking Vipers. Damn. Got the NSX over here. Look what we have here, guys. Chicken. Hey, look.
You wish this was you, motherfucker.
You wish this was you, bro. Don't ever try to show me anything for your Z no more after this.
Look at these tires.
Come show him in the back.
Welds, boss.
Look,
305s.
look at
What
these
tire
tires.
size you running?
He's running like 245s, bro, all the way around.
Jeez.
Disappointment, embarrassing. Chicken Joe, I don't know what's going on, bro, but you need to step this shit up, because
See what it says right here?
let me see what.
Small.
Damn.
Brembo brakes. You wish.
You wish that was you, bro. You wish that was you. Check out this F-150 right here. Telling the boy Carlos this is gonna be the next setup right here for the car. I'm gonna try to get some, well, these are VMS. I get some 4-stars, but with the drag setup, have it all nice and pretty clean setup. That's gonna be the next setup. I'm looking out for that, trying to buy some. But this thing is whippled and everything, so this thing is freaking sick. Also, these carbon fiber trunk lids are so nice. Hella expensive though. I love that color though, guys. Orange Fury is such a fire color. What do you guys think? Get that little setup right there. Everybody's got drag setups over here, man. Looks nice, man. Looks nice. It looks just so good, bro. Like, look, this is what I would get. I'd get that 4-stars. 4-stars, same setup. Mickey Thompson's. It's gonna look sick. I think it's gonna look sick.
Look like this.
Oh my god! And then look at these Euros, bro. Jesus. Look at these Euro tail lights, guys. I want to get these so freaking bad. Oh my goodness. The Corsas, diffuser, carbon fiber. Whew. That thing is sexy. That thing is so nice. Shelby GT500. Shout out Richard. If y'all know, y'all know. Only a few will get it. Only a few will get it, boss. And then look at this. Another VMS drag setup. It's looking nice, boys. It's looking nice. Well, these GT500s are freaking disgusting, bro. And these Shelbys. Damn. This thing is nice. Yeah, this is the GT350 front end. This is the GT350 front end on an 18 and up. Tell me that doesn't look hella nice, bro. I like it better than the GT500 front end, to be honest. What do you guys think? I just think this front end looks more aggressive. It looks different too. Everybody has the GT500 one. That thing would look so sick. Got the drone. Shout out Most Wanted Drone. Shout out. Check out this one, guys. This thing is dope. Shout out to my boy Eric. Eric, if you had a 5.0, bro, you'd make it just like this. He loves his cigars. He loves his cigarettes, bro. 5.0, dude. This 5.0 is so clean. And then we got this 2-valve right here in ruby red type of color. Oh my god, that thing's beautiful. C6 in the back. This thing is so sick, man. I follow her on Instagram, bro. She's got such a clean build and stick shift. This thing is beautiful, man. But this right here, woo! Love it. Got the NSX pulling up right now. Oh. Alright, you guys, looks like everybody, a couple of people have left. A lot more empty. We already walked the whole way over there and showed you guys, and Carlos is getting a little bit tired now, so.
Yeah, my knee, if you know, my knee's been a little.
His knee kind of hurts, so. I think we're gonna end up calling it a day. Just want to make a cool little, nice little video for you guys. Keep you guys posted. Tomorrow there's another Cars and Coffee, so who knows if we'll hit that. Depends on tonight. But yeah, got a cool little footage of you guys for the cars, everything. It's a pretty dope ass event. So yeah, and shout out to the boys that came and said what's up. They said they watched some of the videos, so like, hey, freaking nice to meet you guys. They got some dope ass cars too. If you're watching, my boy, let me try to zoom in on your car. Him and his buddy's car is that silver one and then that orange one. These things are freaking clean, guys. But shout out to them. Always love seeing when some people be like, oh, what's up, bro? I watch your videos. It's pretty dope. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam for some more content. I want to get new stuff for the car, Euros, the drag setup. I really want the drag setup really bad. I've been telling them about it, so hopefully that could maybe be next, and change up the look of the car. But thanks for watching. Peace.